Hello, welcome back. Module 5, Advanced Data Handling in SPSS. So what are we going to cover in this module? We are going to cover importing data. So this means that in our previous classes, we have learned how to create data dictionary, how to code data, and enter data manually. But sometimes we find that we get data from different softwares or in different formats, like in Excel, CSV files, Stata, SAS, and so on. And sometimes we want to analyze this data in SPSS. So we have to be able to import data from other software to SPSS for further analysis. We also have to be able to rename files and save files. Very important, because when we want to keep this data and keep revising them, we have to be able to do the remaining and also do the saving. Record variables. Sometimes it is not as straightforward as data entry when we want to change the records in SPSS. That is when we have recording variables in SPSS. We have compute variables. Sometimes we want to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and other calculations in SPSS. So we are going to have a look at that. Sort cases. Sorting is not important per se for data analysis, but it is good in data presentation and for ease analysis, realization of how the data is being presented. So we are going to be able to sort cases. We also have merging files. Sometimes our data is not complete and maybe entries are made in different tools and at different places, and we have to be able to merge files. So we are going to look at merge files into details. Split cases. We are going to also learn how to compare groups by using split cases. We are going to look at select cases. This is doing filtering in SPSS. We are going to look at data aggregation, analyzing data on different group levels. And then lastly, we are going to look at pivot tables that summarizes our data in SPSS. So this is very important concept that we have to learn after we have done manual data entry into SPSS. Thank you for joining. Enjoy learning.